If you love Halloween but hate plastic buckets, watch this. In 5 minutes, I'll turn a plain basket into a modern, cozy trick-or-treat showpiece using dried florals, mini pumpkins, and a glue gun. Stay to the end for the glow-up reveal and my 2 pro fixes for wobbly decor. Here's what I'm using: a neutral basket, raffia or shredded paper filler, mini pumpkins or gourds, dried stems or pampas bits, a hot glue gun with high temp sticks, linen ribbon and a few faux berries. Now it's time to glue the hoop in place. I'm using a high temp glue gun for a stronger hold. Just add a few dots evenly around the edge, then press and hold for about 10 seconds. Now with a bed of filler. Don't pack it flat, fluff it. Height in the middle, slope to the edges. This gives you a little stage so everything reads from a distance. Theme check. We're going warm neutrals with soft orange accents. Think fall dinner party meets neighbourhood candy run. Something about Halloween crafts just hits different. It's spooky, but make it cute. Drop in 2 or 3 anchor pieces, mini pumpkins or sculptural gourds. Keep the largest slightly off-center. If anything rolls, add a pea-sized dot of hot glue underneath. Pro tip: alternate smooth and bumpy textures so it doesn't look like one orange blob. Next, I'm gluing these cute little palm picks all the way around the hoop. Work in sections. A tiny dot of hot glue, press, hold, and move on. Keep the spacing even, but not too perfect. That mix of heights gives it a handcrafted boutique look. As the glue cools, fluff each palm slightly so it looks full and soft. Quick question: matte neutrals or bold Halloween colours? Tell me in the comments which vibe you'd pick for your basket. Now I'm gluing a strip of straw ribbon right across the middle of the hoop, up at the top. Add a thin line of hot glue, then press the ribbon down gently so it lays flat and smooth. Now I'm adding a few faux berries, and this part's totally freestyle. Place them wherever you think they look best, around the hoop, near the pom picks, or tucked between the edges. There's no wrong way to do it. Then I'm gluing 3 little pieces of linen ribbon on the right side of the hoop to pull the look together. It adds that soft, cozy texture that really completes the design. Tell me in the comments, would you go with linen or a pop of colour instead? If you're loving this cozy Halloween vibe, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you don't miss my next DIY drop. I post quick, modern craft ideas every week. Simple projects that actually look store-bought but are totally doable at home. Trust me, you're going to want to see what's coming next. For the final detail, I'm adding 3 little signposts right at the front of the basket. One that says trick, 1 or, and 1 treat. I've glued each letter on individually, so every piece feels handmade and a bit rustic. Space them just far enough apart so each word stands out but still frames the basket nicely. If you've enjoyed this project, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell. I've got more cozy DIYs and ideas coming up that you won't want to miss. Halloween's all about the little details, and this basket is giving spooky but make it stylish. And here it is, the final look of our custom Halloween trick-or-treat basket. All those little details, the pom picks, the faux berries, the linen ribbons, and those tiny trick-or-treat signs at the front, they all come together to make something that feels festive but still grown up and cozy. I love how the textures play off each other. The natural basket, the soft ribbon, the warm fall tones. It's cute enough for your entry table, but still totally practical for candy night. Every piece was handmade, every detail intentional, and honestly, that's what makes it special. If you've watched all the way to the end, thank you. You're my kind of DIY person. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if it gave you ideas, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss what's next. I've got more cozy Halloween and fall projects coming soon, and trust me, you'll want to see the next one. Thanks for crafting with me, and happy Halloween!